Welcome back to Space and Mystery. Today we're diving into one of the most awe-inspiring celestial phenomena, comets. From their icy beginnings in the outer reaches of the solar system to their fiery tails as they approach the sun, comets hold vital clues about the formation of our solar system. So, what exactly is a comet? Comets are often called dirty snowballs because they're made of rock, dust and frozen gases like water, carbon dioxide, ammonia and methane. When a comet gets close to the sun, it heats up, causing these gases and dust to vaporize and form a bright, glowing coma around the nucleus and a spectacular tail that always points away from the sun. At the heart of every comet is the nucleus, which can range from a few hundred meters to tens of kilometers in diameter. Though it may not look like much, the nucleus is an ancient piece of the early solar system, nearly unchanged for billions of years. But where do these icy travelers come from? Most comets originate in two distant regions of our solar system, the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud. First, the Kuiper Belt. This region lies just beyond the orbit of Neptune and is home to countless icy objects, including Pluto and many other dwarf planets. Short-period comets, like Halley's Comet, usually come from the Kuiper Belt. These comets orbit the Sun in predictable elliptical paths and return every few decades. Then we have the Oort cloud, a hypothetical spherical shell of icy objects that encircles our solar system at a distance far beyond the planets. This region is thought to be the birthplace of long-period comets, which can take hundreds or even thousands of years to complete an orbit. Some scientists believe the Oort cloud might be the farthest reach of the Sun's gravitational influence. Comets are considered some of the oldest objects in our solar system, dating back over 4.5 billion years. When the solar system was forming, tiny icy bodies, or planetesimals, coalesced in the colder outer regions. These planetesimals were left over from the formation of the planets and were either scattered outwards or remained frozen in place in the Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud. Because they haven't undergone much change, comets are like time capsules, preserving the original materials of the solar nebula, the cloud of gas and dust that created the sun and planets. This is why comets are so valuable to scientists. Studying them can help us understand the building blocks that led to the formation of our solar system. As comets travel toward the sun, the heat causes the frozen gases within the nucleus to vaporize, creating a bright halo of gas and dust called the coma. This glow can be massive, often larger than Earth itself. And then there's the iconic tail. Interestingly, comets can have two types of tails: the dust tail, which is made of tiny particles pushed by sunlight, and the ion tail made of charged particles that are pushed by the solar wind. Both tails always point away from the sun, no matter which direction the comet is traveling. Some comets have captivated humanity for centuries. Halley's Comet, for example, has been observed for over 2,000 years and returns every 76 years. Then there's Comet Hale-Bopp, which passed by in 1997 and was one of the brightest comets in recent memory. More recently, Comet Neowise wowed us in 2020 with its spectacular tail visible to the naked eye. Throughout history, comets were often seen as omens or mysterious visitors from the heavens. Today, we know them as fascinating natural phenomena that help us explore our solar system's past. In recent years, space missions have given us an up-close look at comets. In 2014, the European Space Agency's Rosetta mission orbited Comet 67P/Churyumov-Gerasimenko and even deployed a lander named Philae. This was the first time we had landed on a comet's surface, and it provided incredible insights into the comet's composition and structure. NASA's Deep Impact mission, which struck Comet Tempel 1 in 2005, also provided groundbreaking data. By creating a small crater, scientists could study the comet's interior, revealing clues about its origins and the materials that make up comets. But why should we care about comets? One reason is that they might have played a role in seeding life on Earth. Some scientists theorize that comets, which contain water, ice and organic molecules, could have delivered these essential ingredients to our young planet during heavy bombardment periods billions of years ago. These early impacts could have provided the building blocks for life. So, by studying comets, we're not just learning about distant space, we're learning about the potential origins of life itself. As our technology advances, missions to the outer regions of the solar system are becoming possible. Who knows? In the future, we might even venture out to explore the mysterious Oort cloud. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Space and Mystery for more cosmic content. Leave a comment below if there's a specific comet or space mission you'd like to learn more about. And as always, keep exploring.